Hey guys, welcome back to the EcoTools channel. I'm Shannon Sullivan. I'm a fashion and beauty blogger and YouTuber, and I also happen to be a 2018 Eco Elite member. I'm so excited to be working with EcoTools all year on their Make Life Happen campaign, so huge thanks to EcoTools for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. Today I'm going to be using some of my favorite EcoTools products to show you guys a quick way to simplify your makeup routine for a 5-minute fresh face spring look that's perfect for running errands on the weekend, so let's begin. To start my makeup, I'm going to apply an illuminating primer. This one is from Juice Beauty, and I'm using the angled foundation brush from the Start the Day Beautifully kit. Now, the Start the Day Beautifully kit is the perfect kit for this look because it has 5 brushes, 3 beauty looks, and this really great storage tray that holds all of your brushes in place for easy access, which is exactly what you need when you're in a hurry. So I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face to add a nice glow and luminosity, which is really what you need after the winter months when your skin can look a little dull and tired, and this also helps keep your foundation in place all day. Next, I'm going to apply some concealer, a little bit on this blemish and around my nose, areas where I'm red. I'm just going to blend this in with the Total Perfecting blender. So I'm using the flat side of this and just bouncing it all over the areas where I put the concealer. And I'm just taking a little bit of that concealer onto my lids to act as an eyeshadow primer. Since this is a 5-minute look and we're in a hurry, we don't want too many steps for this. So now that I've applied my concealer, I'm going to use the Skin Perfecting brush to apply my foundation. And I love this brush because it gives a really nice airbrushed look to the skin, and it just makes everything even. You just use circular motions like this to buff it in, get everything nice and even, and it still lets your skin breathe. And I love that it's angled because it gets into those hard to reach areas like the crevices around your nose. So I just buff it in just like this until it's all blended in. Next, I'm going to use some translucent powder to set my foundation and concealer, and I'm using the full powder brush to do this. And I love this brush because it's very nice and dense, so it really packs the powder on, and that is something that I need because I live in Florida where it's very hot and humid, and this really helps to keep my foundation in place all day. And just to let you guys know that this brush and the Skin Perfecting brush that I use to apply my foundation are not in the Start the Day Beautifully kit, but you can find them on the EcoTools website. Next, I'm going to apply my bronzer, and I'm using the full blush brush, and this one is included in the Start the Day Beautifully kit. And I'm just going to put this onto my temples, underneath my cheekbones, and along my jawline. So I'm also going to do a little bit along the sides of my nose and up underneath. So now that I'm finished with bronzer, I'm going to apply my blush, and I'm going to use the same brush for this, but I'm going to go in with the Makeup Brush Cleansing Cloths to clean my brush first. And this leaves the bristles really soft and clean. They're really great for a color change, like going from bronzer to blush, so when you're in a hurry, you keep things simple. So I'm just applying my blush to the apples of my cheeks and along my cheekbone. So now for my eyes, I like to start with filling in my brows. So I'm going to go back to the Start the Day Beautifully kit, and I'm going to pick up the angled liner brush. So I'm just kind of flicking the brush up and doing small strokes like this to fill in the areas that need to be filled in and just kind of shape my brows a little bit more. Now that I'm finished with my brows, I'm going to go in with my Defined Crease Brush, and I'm going to use my bronzer. I'm just going to go into my crease just to add a little definition, and this keeps it really quick and simple. I'm just going to go back and forth into that crease, and I'm going to pull a little bit under along my lower lash line. Just kind of bring everything together. I'm going to use the same brush and go in with this rose color here and follow into my crease. So I'm not taking it all the way across my lower lash line. I'm just keeping it a little bit on the outer edge because I don't want to take it in too heavy for a weekend look, but I still want it to look more defined and pulled together. Next, I'm going to use this blurring brush to apply this shimmery champagne color all over the lid. And this brush also comes in the Start the Day Beautifully kit. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to complete the eye look. And I'm using a volumizing mascara to have a really full lash look for this, but you can use whatever your favorite mascara is to complete the look. And last, I'm going to use the Laura Geller lipstick in Prince Street Pink. It's just a gorgeous pink color that has a little bit of a glossy finish, perfect for spring. So there you have it, a quick 5-minute spring makeup look that's perfect for running errands on the weekend, grabbing coffee with your girlfriends, or just enjoying the spring weather any day of the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again to EcoTools for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this. You can find more of my videos over on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to check out the description box. All of the products that I use in this video will be listed down below. But thanks again for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye!